Okay, magandang umaga ulit sa ating lahat. So ngayon ay sa video nito tuturuan ko kayo kung paano maghanap ng sum of the first n term of the given arithmetic sequence. So this lesson falls sa grade 10 quarter 1 week 2 or yung arithmetic series. So we have this problem. Find the sum of each of the following. So number 1, integers from 1 to 50. Number 2, add integers from 1 to 100. Number 3, even integers between 1 and 101. Number 4, first 25 terms of the arithmetic sequence 4, 9, 14, 19, 24. Then 5 multiples of 3 from 15 to 45. So, let's begin. So, number 1, integers from 1 to 50. So, ang integers from 1 to 50 are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, until 50. So, we can imply that a sub 1 is equal to 1. The first term is 1. A sub 50, the last term is 50. Why a sub 50? Because we know that consecutive lang naman yan and n is 50. So following the elements, and we have the formula s sub n is equal to n over 2 multiplied by a sub 1 plus a sub n. So again, substitute lang natin. So s sub 50 is equal to 50 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 plus 50. So again, solve 50 divided by 2 is 25 multiplied by 1 plus 50 is 51. So again, 25 times 51. So what is the answer? So that is what? So divide lang natin si 51 divide by 4. So that would be 1, 4, 11 divided by 4, that is equal to 2. So 8, 3, so 0.0, 0.7, then 28, then 2, again 0, bring down 0, then that would be 5. 20 magiging 0. So therefore 12.75. So the answer is 1,275. So that's the answer in number 1. Okay? How about number 2? Add integers from 1 to 100. So what are the terms? So add integers. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, until 99. Okay? So those are the add integers. So we know that a sub 1 is 1. Then a sub n is 99. The last term is 99. But what is the value of n? Take note, from 1 to 100, there are 100 numbers. And since we are looking for add integers, okay, in between them, puro even numbers. So kumbaga, we started add number, we ended sa add number. So, pag ganun ang case, ibig sabihin, equal yung value ni add at saka ni even. So 100 divided by 2 lang, that would be 50. So n is 50. So from 1 to 99, there are 50 add integers. So again, using the formula s sub n is equal to n over 2 multiplied by a sub 1 plus a sub n. So substitute, s sub 50 is equal to 50 divided by 2 multiplied by 1 plus 99. So therefore, 50 divided by 2 is 25 times 1 plus 99 is 100. So therefore, that is 2,500. So that is the answer for number 2. How about number 3? Even integers between 1 and 101. So ito naman yung gitna. So 2 o in between them. 2, 4, 6, 8 hanggang 100. So, ito naman yung partner nung add. Ngayon, even. So, paano yan? Our a sub 1 is 2. The last term is 100. And since hanggang 100 dyan, again, we started even. Then, we ended even. So, dapat equal sila. So, divide lang natin by 2 yung 100. So, 50. Kasi from 1 to 100, may even and odd. So, divide mo lang by 2 since they are, tawag dito, they have the same number. Okay? So, therefore, divide by 2 lang, 50. So, again, using the formula S sub n is equal to n over 2 multiplied by a sub 1 plus a sub n. That would be equal to S sub 50. That would be equal to 50 divided by 2 multiplied by 2 plus 100. So, 50 divided by 2, that is 25, multiplied by 100 plus 2 is 102. So, therefore, that would be 2,550. Okay, so that is S sub 15. That's the answer in number 3. How about number 4? First 25 terms of the arithmetic sequence. So, alam natin that the first term is 4. But we don't know the last term. But we can know that n is 25 because that is given. Then the common difference is, if we look for the common difference, we can come up with 5 as the answer. Right? So, therefore, 5. Since we do not know the last term and we know already, or we know only the common difference, we can use the alternate form of the arithmetic series or yung other formula. S sub n is equal to n over 2 multiplied by 2 a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. So, instead, yung kaninang formula, ganito na yung in this problem, ganito yung formula na gagamitin natin. So, S sub 25 is equal to 25 divided by 2 multiplied by 2 times 4. Substitute lang natin. Plus n is 25 minus 1 times the common difference, 5. So, again, 25 over 2 multiplied by 2 times 4 is 8 plus 25 minus 1 is 24 times 5. So, again, simplify. 25 divided by 2 multiplied by 8 plus 24 times 5 is 120. Right? Okay. Then, simplify furthermore. So, 25 divided by 2 multiplied by 8 plus 120 is 128. And we can cancel 2 and 128. So, it becomes 64. So, 25 divided by 64 is equal to 1,600. Okay? So, that is S sub 25. So, that is the answer. Okay? So, for the last item, multiples of 3 from 15 to 45. So, what are those terms? So, 15, 18, 21. Kasi multiples of 3, 24, until we get 45. Okay, ang tanong, ilan terms lahat yan? So, a sub 1 equal to 15, a sub n is equal to 45. But we don't know the value of n. So, anong gagawin natin? Pwede nating bilangin na lang. Okay? Tama ba? Or, pwede nating i-analyze. So, this is 15, this is 45, and since multiple of 3 yan, okay, so, ibig sabihin, parang in set, tagti-3 yan. So, tagti-3. Tama ba? So, from 1 to 45, kung tagtatatlo yan, 15. Kaso, sa 15 ka nag-umpisa. So, ilang set of numbers yung before 15? 5. Kasi 5 divided by 3, 5. So, 10 minus 5, 10. So, 10. Tama nga ba? Okay, bilangin natin. So, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 30, 6, 39, 42, and 45. So, how many terms are there? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Bakit naging 11? Because, so, pag minus natin kasi yung 5, ibig sabihin, hindi natin nasama sa pagbilang si 15. So, we need to add 1 pa, kaya 10. Or, just simply first, use the general term. A sub n is equal to A sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d para makasigurado. Okay, we know that A sub n, last term is 45. That would be equal to A sub 1 is 15 plus n minus 1 times, we know that the common difference in this example is 3. Okay, then, anong gagawin? Pwedeng itong 15, okay, mag-minus tayong 15 in both sides. Okay, para ma-cancel tong 15. Then, 45 minus 15 is 30. That would be equal to n minus 3. N minus 1 yan, sorry. N minus 1 pala, sorry. Multiplied by 3. Then, divide both side by 3 para ma-cancel to. Okay, so, ang matitira, 10. That would be equal to n minus 1. So, again, to eliminate minus 1, mag-add ka ng 1 both side. Maka-cancel. So, 10 plus 1, 11, that is equal to n. So, therefore, n is 11 nga. So, since we know already the value of n, we can now use the formula. N over 2 multiplied by a sub 1 plus a sub n. So, just simply substitute 11 over 2 multiplied by 15 plus 45. So, that is 11 over 2 multiplied by 15 plus 45 is 60. So, cancel 60 and 2. That would be equal to 30. Then, 30 times 11. That would be equal to 330. So, that is S sub 11. So, the answer in this item is 330. So, that's all for today. So, salamat sa pakikinig.